Welcome. My name is Mrs. Harrison, and I teach biology and applications of biotechnology. My email address is on the screen. Email is the best way to contact me. Just a little background information about biology. So, biology is the study of life, and some of the topics that we'll cover in biology are cells, ecology, organisms, genetics, and applications of biotechnology is taking technology and utilizing living things and incorporating technology to help humans. And these are some topics that we will learn about. Your student will build on what they already learned from essentials of technology, essentials of biotechnology. Here is our schedule. And so Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, we will be on this schedule. Starting tomorrow on Fridays, we will be on our literacy block schedule. And fourth period will start 10 minutes later. And the first 20 minutes of third period will be for literacy. Wednesday is an instructional support day, so students will have the opportunity to work on their assignments, get extra support on that day. Here are our online norms. So we expect our students to be on time, mute their audio upon entry, make sure that their name is listed, ask questions in the chat, stay focused and participate, show their face, be respectful and compassionate. And here are some online learning expectations. So it'll be good if your student sets up a daily routine, find a comfortable, quiet space to study, be mindful of background noise and movements, and complete their assignments with honesty and integrity, and just making sure that they communicate with their teachers if they ever need any extra help or if they have questions. It's so important that your student is proactive and making sure that they communicate with their teacher. Here are our grade breakdowns. So for biology and applications of biotechnology, it's the same. Our tests will be worth 30%. Our labs projects are 30%. Daily assignments and quizzes are 20%. And our final exam is 20%. Communication is key. So make sure that your student has joined our Class Remind, and you are welcome to join the Class Remind as well. Those are the codes that are listed on the screen. Remind is a great tool, and I will utilize this tool if we ever have to have a plan B. So if CTLS is acting up, then we will communicate via Remind with your student on what our plan B will be. And I will also use Remind to remind students about due dates and upcoming assignments. So it's a great tool and resource. Make sure that your student is monitoring CTLS announcements. Announcements is where we will post assignments, due dates, and reminders. Also, make sure that they are monitoring their grade via Student View. And here are the list of supplies. And so my office hours, tutoring hours will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1:35 to 3:45. If your student ever needs extra help or support, make sure they make an appointment via email. And if you ever need to contact me, or if you would like a conference, a meeting, you can make an appointment for those hours or for that time. And here you can get more information about our curriculum, our standards at the cobbk12.org. I would also highly recommend that parents create a parent view account so that they can monitor their students' grades and assignments. And you can also get a lot of information from the South Cobb website. And there is the address. If you ever have any issues or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I look forward to working with all of you. We're going to have a great semester. And thank you so much for watching this video.